Hello students. In today's lecture I will tell you that how you can import some external data to Matlab. While solving the complex problem in our research, sometimes we deal to import some data from the Excel or some other file into Matlab. Then how we can do that? For that purpose I will create an Excel sheet within my folder. Like I'm going to create an Excel sheet, and the name of this Excel file is file1. So this is an Excel file. I'm going to open it. So this is the complete Excel file. I'm going to save some few numbers over here, like I'm going to save 100, 34, 32, 66, 76, 55, 55 and 345. So I have stored these numbers within the Excel sheet. I'm going to save it and now I will tell you that how you can import this file into Matlab. So first I will open a script, and then I'm going to read .xls file. So I have to clear all, close all other file and clear screen. So the basic command to read an Excel file is read xls. No, it's not like that. It's xls read, and now I will have to put the path or the let me store it with the some variable a, b and c. Now we'll execute this file, read xls file. So okay, xls. Now when I execute it, xlsread is unable to open the file when one.xls. Okay, let me check that what is the problem. The name of the file is capital F ILE1 and .xlsx. So this is capital and this is xlsx. Now let me execute this code, and what I get in result, I have to wait for it. So I got the results. Within A, I got those values which previously I have shown to you that I have stored in the Excel. This is the Excel file. You can compare the values that has been loaded by the Matlab in its variable A and the actual values that are here within the Excel sheet. Both are equal and both are the same. So you will be thinking that why I have created three variable. Two of them are some sales type, and the one is the .mat file. The answer is that we have three type of data when we load from the Excel. That is numeric, it can be strings, and they can be some sort of raw data. So we need to load all these three types. Therefore I have written three variables over here. Similarly, the way I have used to read the file, in similar way I can also write the uh, Excel file somewhere in my directory. So I'm going to save this file with the file write dot xlsx. So, and I will write the name of the variable which I am going to write. So I'm going to write the content of this variable number into a file that is named as file write.xls. And when I execute this code, what I am going to see is another file has been created over here. When I open it, I can see the content clearly. So this was the file that I have read, and this was the file at which I have stored the content of one variable. So through this method, uh, you can solve many complex problems. Like within the Matlab, sometimes you have to load some information that you have stored in the Excel sheet, and that data belong to the output of some other software, and you want to load it in Matlab. So through this method, you can simply read that file as an xlsread, and you will read that file or that data into some variable. You can process all the data, and when you get the result, you can store it back in some Excel sheet. So thank you so much. In the next lecture, I will tell you some more basics and important things that you will have to deal while you are working in Matlab. Thank you so much.